I'm Jeff from Sussex Installations. Today's video is about Renault Trafic, Vauxhall Vivaro, Nissan NV300, this type of shaped van with holes in the door. Holes that have been made in different places than the norm on the door. In this case, the customer's already had a shield fitted and the Thieves has gone below the shield, so we're having to cover up that damage. But good news, the internal shields protected him. They didn't take his tools, they didn't get in the van, so this is a success. It's a shame the customer's had to have his van repaired after the Thieves have made damage to it again for the third time, would you believe? But at least he didn't lose his tools on this job, and that was down to the internal shield that was fitted to the van. The internal shield saved the day. It's the hero. Look, don't forget to subscribe to Sussex Installations, turn the notifications on so you can keep up to date with the van security as it happens. Please do give us a like for the video as well, it'd be much appreciated, thank you. It's a bit of a story with this van. This is his third break-in on the same van. So look, what happened was initially, before he bought the van, someone had made a hole through the barn door and broken into the van, and the previous owner of this van had bought a repair shield. That's not actually our repair shield that he bought, and fitted it to cover up the hole that was in the back door. This customer purchased the van and someone had made a hole in his door around about here and broken into his van. So at that point he got in touch with us and to get a repair shield for the external. Now, in addition to buying the repair shield for the external, we did talk him into having the internal shield fitted, which goes behind the scenes, which is actually inside the van, which is really good value. So basically, there's a lot you can spend your money on in terms of van security. I do believe, like pound you spend versus the amount of security you get, that the shielding is really important, particularly the internal shielding. So this would be inside his door, one of these around about here, and it's double layered up in the most vulnerable places. You know, it's a big heavy bit of kit, and so he's fitted this. The thief has tried to go in below the external shield. They've made a hole, they've damaged the van, but they didn't get in. They come across our internal shield and they got stuck here. Looks like probably got snapped off drill bit at this point trying to get in. So they've had a good go at it and they've not been successful. So it's like we have a solution for that as well, because the way that things are, we have a bigger shield that can go on this van and cover up the damage. And the idea, the reason I've designed and created this large shield is so we can cover up damage that's been made by attacking like the regular size shield. It's a shame that you've got to go to this level, but it seems to be a necessary thing. You know, we're trying to keep the vans on the road. If this van's been broken into 3 times already, that could have been off the road at a body shop for like a week or 2 weeks each time, you know, spending like £1,000 on a repair. But these repair shieldings are really good value for money, and it's effective. It's a quick repair. It does give some additional security as well. So what we're going to do, we're going to take that shield off and we're going to fit this shield over, covering up the damage and re-securing the van. As far as the barn door goes, we have a similar situation for that, where we have an internal shield. This is our internal shield. It's really good, I've got to say. You know, this is my design. We've made tweaks over the years to this design as well, and it is really good, and it is double layered up in the most vulnerable area. So we're really looking to protect from all the different angles going in at this shield. For the barn door shield, we have our first version shield that we had. This is, feel like almost like it's like a pizza kind of restaurant, you know. Would you like a medium, large or extra large size shield for your van, sir? Which is nuts, but that is the reality that we're living in at the moment. That is our standard size shield there. This is our large size shield here. And then if someone's made a really big mess of your van, like your Vauxhall Vivaro as this is, Renault Trafic type of shaped van, and made a mess all around this door handle, what we can do is we can still save the back door by cutting out this whole handle here and fitting this massive replacement panel, extra large shield, and refitting your handle into that extra large shield. So there are options. And here we go, we're done. Look, take a look at this. Another fine masterpiece. I mean, it's a big shield. It's covering up holes that have been made on the van in different areas, but I've got to say, very proud. Matching all the contours of the van, all the bends. So many bends in this shield, it's crazy, but it's a good finish. Really making some fine quality products here at Sussex Installations. Designing them in-house. I design them, we develop and manufacture them in our little factory here, all made with love and care, ready to go out the door to you guys, whether you're having them fitted by us or whether you're buying them on eBay, on Amazon or on our website. So that's a really great solution for this van in terms of a good effective repair and some additional shielding. Customer has the internal shield refitted that he already had fitted before, the one that saved the day. A bit scratched up, a little bit damaged, but actually it's fine. It's not been compromised. He's got the new external shield covering up that damage that was on the door, and at the same time he's realised the value of the internal shields, and he's had us fit an internal shield to the barn door as well inside the door. So our internal shield guarding the mechanism on the barn door, in addition to what he had, the internal shield guarding the side load door mechanism. But unfortunately, the brand of external shield he had, our internal shield wasn't compatible with that. So we have had to change the external shield for our one. Obviously a better looking one, but there we go, a bonus. But by having our external shield fitted, that's meant that he has been able to have our internal shield fitted too. So that's epic, that's a good result. If you're looking for security for your Renault Trafic, your Vauxhall Vivaro, NV300 or Fiat Talento or any other van, get in touch via the website. It's www.sussexinstallations.co.uk. Please do give us a like for this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Turn on the notifications so you get alerts once we've got new videos to keep you up to date with the latest in-van security. If you're thinking about buying one of these shields and thinking, can you fit it yourself? Stay tuned, and we're going to do an installation now and show you start to finish, give you a bit of an idea of what's involved in fitting these shields. Stay tuned, here we go. Danny, the question, are we ready?
We are ready.
Ready for the reveal?
Here it comes.
Whoa, look at that beauty. It's a masterpiece, another masterpiece. So our internal shield fitted as well in the barn door, which is a massive security improvement. It's a really good design. Our external shield fitted, which is compatible with the internal shield. Reveal number 2. Not quite as exciting. Not that I want to do it down or anything, Danny, but look, we've done hundreds of these, haven't we?
Yeah.
So here we go. Very nice. Not seen it for the first time, but it's still got that nice style. I hope you found that interesting. Thanks for watching, much appreciated. Go to our website if you're looking for van security, www.sussexinstallations.co.uk.